Peacock is a wonderful pose that is a shoulder opener and heart chakra stimulator. It's also a great prep for a forearm stand. Starting with a bolster, a block, and a blanket in the 8th fold, we'll fold the blanket one more time lengthwise, and this will serve as support underneath the abdominals. Place the blanket underneath where the belly will lay, and then position the bolster and the block far enough ahead so that the forehead can go down to the ground. Once the forehead is on the ground, internally rotate both legs so that the toes are touching and the heels are slightly apart. Externally rotate the upper arms, placing the elbows up on the bolster, and then place the block in between the palms. Again, the forehead lowers either onto the bolster or lowers all the way onto the floor. For more of an accurate forearm preparation, turn the block so that it's in between the L shape of the thumb and index fingers, palms facing forward. Keep the legs nice and active and breathe. If you're feeling tingling in the shoulders, you might be cutting off circulation, so it may be time to come out. Whenever you're ready to come out, lower the block onto your back to release the hands, and then slowly press back into a child's pose, either with the arms in front of you or rest them back by your sides. Enjoy!